Stand installation. First, we need to turn the stand upside down. This side facing up. Then install the two side panels. Take out one screw, one spacer and one nut. Put the spacer on the screw and then put it through here. Then screw the nut onto the screw. Don't tighten the nut. Then install the back panel. Next, install the bottom panel. After screwing all the screws, then tighten them together. You need a 5mm inner hexagon, an 8 to 10 socket. You need to hold it with your hand, let the sides even. After the side panel is even with the sides of the stand, then tighten it. The same goes for the back two panels. Before tightening the screws, you need to level them first. Next, we install the bottom wheels. There are 4 bottom wheels in total. These two in front are universal wheels. The back two are directional wheels. We need one screw, one spring pad, and a spacer. A 5mm inner hexagon. Next, we install the feet of the stand. There are 2 types of feet in the accessories box, a long one and a short one. The feet for the stand are the long ones. Screw the nuts on the feet to the bottom. Then screw it. The height of the foot should be lower than the wheels. Next, we install the flat table. We need to put the flat table under the stand and keep the center position. The distance between the two sides is the same. We need a Phillips screwdriver and a pack of wood screws. There are no holes in this flat table. We need to screw the screws into the flat table. There are 4 screws to install the flat table. Next, install the foot of the machine. First, screw the nut to the bottom. Then screw the 4 feet to the bottom. After installing the machine's feet, we can put the machine on the stand. Push the machine into the right position. We need to screw the feet under the stand to the floor. Then screw the nuts to the top. Tighten the screws under the feet with a 14 wrench. Tighten the nuts on all 4 feet. Just keep the bottom wheels in the air. Next, we'll raise the thread stand. Use a 2.5mm inner hexagon. There's a hole in the post of the thread stand. We remove the screws from these holes. Then we raise the thread stand. There are 2 slots on the posts of the thread stand. Then we put the thread stand in. Align the slots on the bottom with the holes, and then tighten the screws. The 300/350 machine and stand are assembled.